Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up CLion for C and C++. First, download and install CLion from the official JetBrains website. Before launching, make sure you have a C or C++ toolchain, such as MinGW or GCC, already installed on your system. CLion is designed to automatically detect these common toolchains when you open it for the very first time. After installation, always verify your toolchain settings within CLion's preferences to ensure everything is correctly configured. Once CLion is ready, creating a new project is straightforward. Select New Project from the Welcome screen or File menu. You will then choose either C++ executable or C executable depending on your needs. Next, specify a clear project name and its storage location on your computer. CLion automatically generates a CMake lists TXT file, which is crucial for managing your project's build process. Remember to configure your CMake settings within the Settings or Preferences menu for optimal performance. With your project set up, you can now write your C or C++ code directly in CLion's powerful editor. To compile your program, simply click the Build button, which typically looks like a small hammer icon in the toolbar. Once compiled successfully, use the Run button, a green play icon, to execute your application. CLion also provides robust debugging tools, allowing you to easily find and fix any errors in your code, making development much smoother. To enhance your workflow, explore CLion's powerful refactoring capabilities, which can save you significant time. You can also personalize your development environment by customizing key bindings and choosing from various themes. CLion offers seamless integration with popular version control systems, such as Git, allowing you to manage your code history efficiently. Furthermore, extend CLion's functionality by utilizing numerous plugins available from the JetBrains marketplace, adding even more tools to your arsenal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.